When you search for above-ground pool pumps, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Intex 2800 GPH Sand Filter Pump. Let's kick things off with the Intex 2800 GPH Crystal Clear Sand Filter Pump. Priced around $212.99, this one caught my eye for its impressive filtration capabilities. If you want a reliable pump that keeps your pool water crystal clear, this is worth a serious look. What makes this pump stand out is its excellent filtration system. With a flow rate of 46.6 gallons per minute, it does a fantastic job of keeping the water clean. Plus, it has a built-in 24-hour timer that lets you set it for 2 to 12-hour cycles. This means you can just set it and forget it. It's designed for pools up to 17,200 gallons, so it's perfect for most above-ground setups. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It filters, backwashes, and rinses, giving you a hassle-free experience without the constant upkeep. Now, some people complained about its noise level. Here's the thing though, while it can be a bit loud, it's not unbearable, especially considering the performance it delivers. If you're looking for top-notch filtration, the noise is a small trade-off. This is perfect for you if you have a larger above-ground pool and want minimal maintenance. Skip this one if you have a small pool, as there are more budget-friendly options out there. For the price, you're getting great value for a quality product. Now, if that noise factor bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Intex 2100 GPH Sand Filter Pump. Next up is the Intex 2100 GPH Crystal Clear Sand Filter Pump. At about $189.89, it's another solid option that balances performance and price. If you want reliable filtering without breaking the bank, this could be the one for you. Its 6-function valve offers flexibility, allowing you to switch between filtering, backwashing, and rinsing. The built-in 24-hour timer takes away the hassle of manual operation, giving you peace of mind that your pool is being taken care of. However, some users noted that it can take a little longer to prime when first installed. But honestly, many pumps have this issue, and once it's set, it runs smoothly. That's a minor setback for the performance you get. This is perfect for you if you have a medium-sized above-ground pool and prefer a pump that's easy to use. Skip this one if you expect super fast priming right out of the box. For the price, it's a fantastic choice. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for larger pools. Product number 3, Intex 3000 GPH Sand Filter Pump. Moving on, we have the Intex 3000 GPH Crystal Clear Sand Filter Pump, priced at $294.60. This one really impressed me with its robust features and efficiency. If you need a pump that can handle larger pools, this is worth your attention. That means it's versatile for those who might upgrade their pool size in the future. The hydroaeration technology really does improve water clarity and filtration. Plus, the low-maintenance design means you won't have to babysit it too often. The sand lasts up to 5 years with regular backwashing. Some reviewers mentioned that it's a bit pricier than other options. But I'll be real with you, if you're serious about pool maintenance and want long-term performance, this price reflects that durability and effectiveness. This is perfect for you if you have a large above-ground pool and want something that can handle a bit of everything. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or have a smaller pool. For what it offers, it's definitely a worthwhile investment. Now, if you prefer something a bit simpler and more compact, the next option is going to be right up your alley. Product number 4, Intex 1500 GPH Sand Filter Pump. Next, let's look at the Intex 1500 GPH Crystal Clear Sand Filter Pump, which comes in at an affordable $159.99. This one's a great choice if you're on a budget but still want dependable filtration. If you want a reliable pump without spending too much, this is worth considering. It features the same excellent filtration capabilities as its bigger siblings, with a 6-function valve and a built-in timer. This means you can set it and let it do the work for you. The low-maintenance design is also a big plus, as you won't be constantly cleaning it. However, its lower flow rate means it might take longer to filter larger pools. But here's the thing, for smaller pools, this is actually an advantage since it's quieter and less aggressive, making it a great fit for families with kids. This is perfect for you if you have a smaller above-ground pool and prioritize affordability. Skip this one if you have a larger pool that requires more power. For the price, it delivers great value without compromising on essential features. If you're looking for something a bit more advanced, let's check out the last product on my list. Product number 5, KimFilter 1000 GPH Pool Filter Pump. Finally, we have the KimFilter Transparent 1000 GPH Above Ground Pool Filter Pump. At just $49.95, this one really stands out for its price and innovative design. If you want an affordable option that gets the job done, this is worth a look. The coolest feature here is its transparent casing, which lets you easily see the filtration status. This means you can quickly clean or replace the filter when necessary, avoiding any surprises. It's powerful enough to handle pools up to 6,200 gallons, and it even has a safety certification, which is a big plus for families. Some reviews pointed out that it's less powerful compared to others on this list. But honestly, for smaller pools, this isn't a deal breaker. It's designed for easy maintenance, making it perfect for first-time pool owners. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly solution that's easy to use. Skip this one if you have a larger pool and need something more robust. For the price, it's a fantastic entry-level pump that won't let you down. In conclusion, each of these pumps has its strengths. The Intex models are perfect for various pool sizes and maintenance needs, while the KimFilter offers a budget-friendly option with unique features. Consider your pool size and maintenance preferences to find the best fit for you. To wrap it up, we've covered the Intex 2800 GPH, 2100 GPH, and 3000 GPH pumps, which are all excellent choices for above-ground pools. Then we looked at the Intex 1500 GPH for budget-conscious homeowners and the KimFilter 1000 GPH for those seeking simplicity. No matter your pool size or budget, there's a perfect pump here for you.